Hey guys, what is up? It is Ryan Sneaks back with another video, and today we have a new sneaker unboxing. These here are the Nike Dunk Low Athletic Department. I don't think these came out on Nike. I could be wrong. I was on GOAT and I actually saw these on there for about retail, and I really like the colorway. These completely flew under my radar, so I didn't even know when the release date or anything was. So I looked up the style code, and it looked like Hibbett Sports and City Gear had them in stock, and there's actually a City Gear here in my town. I've never even shopped at City Gear before, so I didn't even really know what to expect. I did an order pickup for them, and they had my 11.5, so was really excited to go pick these up. Nike Dunk Low Sail Deep Jungle Coconut Milk. So let's go ahead and get right into these. So getting into the shoes here, City Gear gave me 3 different receipts, so I'm not too sure why, but we have that. And then we have the shoes here, which we'll go ahead and pull back. And these things are so nice. But yeah, taking a look at the shoe, it has a really cool like vintage look to it. It has that yellow midsole that they're trying to do on like, I guess like the new Pandas that are coming out, the vintage ones. And this is considered coconut milk, not white. So it's like a little bit more of an off-white. We get these nice cream laces on here too. Really nice like vintage look to these. Also, it's kind of hard to tell in the video, but this is like a very deep green, which is the jungle color. It's not black. So it looks kind of black, but it's not. It's just a deep green. But yeah, I thought this was a really nice colorway, and you know, the Dunk is just a classic silhouette. I just thought the colorway was super clean and looks just kind of like a vintage shoe, which I thought was really cool. I also looked at the Nike Athletic Department Dunks, and there's a few different colorways as well. I just feel like this one was the best one that I liked. As you can see right here, it says Nike Athletic Department 1972. We get a nubuck swoosh that kind of wraps around. You get some more nubuck here where it says Nike. And overall, just a really clean colorway. I'm just really happy with these. I think these are going to be great for the fall and winter. The colder months, I think these are going to be really, really good. But let me know down in the comments what you guys think of these, if these are on your radar at all. I didn't even know these dropped until I saw them online, so really happy I was able to pick them up. Hey, but that is going to be it for this one. Don't forget to hit that like, comment, and subscribe button. Catch y'all next time.